Hello, and thank you for signing up for my importation masterclass. And I'm making this quick video on how you can access to Offerup website to import TOKUNBO used item from America. So now there are some things you need to do before you can have access to Offerup. One of the things is that you need to go to Google Play Store and download USA VPN. So after you download USA VPN, I will send you Offerup app that you can install on your phone. I will send it to you on WhatsApp personally. All right. So now, having installed the USA VPN and Offerup app, so the two application is what we are going to use to access the site and see how you can purchase your goods from America. So while you are in Nigeria or in Ghana. All right. So what we are going to do first is to on our VPN, that is USA VPN. So after you on it, then you now click on your Offerup website. That is only when it's going to open. So I will run the practical now. So first thing is to on our VPN. So when you click on VPN and you click on auto, so here we have four states in America: New York, Oregon, Kansas, and Los Angeles. Let's say I'm choosing let's say my picker is in New York. So this is another thing to consider. You need to consider where your picker state is located in America. So if your picker is located in New York, don't choose Los Angeles. If your picker is located in Los Angeles, don't choose New York because of distance. And so now I'm considering my picker to be from New York. So all the pickers in America, I will send all their contact to you on WhatsApp also. So for example, my picker is in New York, so I will choose New York. Then you have to come here and click on it. So don't mind all these advertisements. So just close all the advertisements. So when you close the advertisement, it's going to connect. And still connect. Right. So now we have been connected to United States, New York. So this is where we can use our Offerup. So I'll go back to Offerup now, and I'll click on it. So you will see now it will open. So you can see. So this is only when the Offerup app will open. Now you can see a lot of items that you can buy with. So what are the things you need to do to buy all these items? So first, you need to consider the location of your picker. So I choose New York as the location of my picker. That's the first thing to do. Then next thing you have to do, let's say you want to search for item on Offerup, you need to come to the search bar here, and let's say you are looking for smartphone. Let me choose smartphone. All right, so as at the time of making this video, these are smartphones available for sale. So let me say I need this thing. So now one thing you need to consider when you are using Offerup, you need to be very much careful because there are also scammers here also. So now anyone you see, this seller here has no review, so don't bother yourself to buy from him. So don't bother yourself to buy from him. Let's go back and look for another seller. Aha, so you can see this seller here has three 5-star review. So these are the kind of seller we can buy from. So this seller say the offer go for $875. So this is Apple phone. You can see it's very neat. And so first thing you need to consider is to know that the seller has been sold in the past. So you can see 3 5-star here. Now another thing to consider is to go to description of the phone and make sure you read everything about the description of the phone so you don't just jump into purchase. So limited warranty until 2021, that is the guarantee on the phone. Then the content exchange and unit will be sanitized prior to exchange. Accept cash app, PayPal, quick pay and cash. Any question, feel free to contact me. So if you have anything to, if you want to make offer, you can make offer, but in some cases you want to make a price, you can click on ask button here and say, hello, can this go for so amount? So if the seller is going to sell it in that way, then he will reply you. And so one other thing you need to do is that you can click on the seller profile and see, look at it, response in a few minutes, and the seller is New York, New York, and you can see he has 180 followers and also following 17. So positive rating. So these are the ratings. My offer. Okay, this seller also want to sell TV. So these are so this seller has been verified payments, confirm phone number, confirm phone Facebook, and confirm email address. So this is an authentic seller, so we can buy from him. So now, before you can also buy on this site, there are other things you need to do. You need to register on Offerup. So all you have to do, you see this bar here, you can click on it. Oh, sorry, if you are searching for category, so this is how you search for category. You can see there are a lot of things under the category that you can just pick any one of your interested products. See, so these are computer equipment. So if we select on computer equipment, you see, so these are things under computer equipment, and some items here are new, some are fairly used, and so on. So now if you want to search by price, you click on here. So you enter maximum price and minimum price and click on search. It will definitely go. So now let's say for instance your picker is not in New York. You want to change the location. Maybe when you enter the site, you enter as in New York and you want to change the location to let's say to New Jersey or any other state in America. All you have to do is to click on this location icon here. So when you click on location icon, it's going to happen like this. So this is how it's going to, then you click on edit location. Now what you are going to do is to copy and paste the zip code of a new location and click on save. So you are done. Now the location of some of the picker, I will send it also to you on WhatsApp and see how you can use them. So this is just a practical way of how you can edit your location. Maybe you are in New York, you want to change to another location. This is how you do that. So let's go back. And when you click on edit and you click on apply, it's going to reset your location. So that's that. Now all things that have been said. So let's say you want to, let's see. So let's say you want to you have not registered on Offerup, because if you don't register, you cannot purchase, you cannot send message, you cannot contact anybody. So all you have to do is to click on the profile icon here. So when you click on profile icon, this is what is going to happen. And now you will be asked to sign up or log in. So in this case now you want to sign up. So there are many ways by which you can sign up. Continue with Facebook or Google. So if you are trying to, I will advise you use Google method, because if you continue with Facebook and your profile picture on the Facebook is not the same with you are not a white man. And let's say for instance, if you are in Nigeria or you are in Ghana and you want to buy something from America, and you see the people that's going to meet them, they are trying to impersonate you. So you are not the person that will make the seller. So it is advisable you make use of an animated image as your profile picture. So in this case now, you need to, let's say for instance, you want to want to sign up. I will advise you choose on Google. So you can see now you want to, this is my own Google account. So let's say I'm using this to sign up. So now this is very much easy. You can see now I have successfully signed up on Offerup. So now when you sign up like this, what are the things you can edit? You can edit your email address, you can connect your Facebook, you can confirm your phone number. But in this case now, don't ever try to confirm your phone number. Why? Because you are not in an America. You are trying to impersonate somebody that will represent you. So now don't ever try to confirm your phone number. You can add a profile picture. So under this profile picture, you can put an animated picture there. It's not necessary. Don't ever try to put your picture there because you are not the person that will meet with the seller. So this is very much important. So don't ever use your real picture. So you can put something like a guitar, you can put something like a leg, you can put any animate something, just put it there. Then so set up payment and deposits. That is not applicable to you because you are not in US. So the only thing that you will need to edit in this profile is your email address, then add your profile picture. And you can decide to connect your Facebook if you like. So that's only thing you can do with your profile here. Then so with this now, I can send offer. You can post an item if you want to post, but in this case you are not in America, so you cannot post. So then let's quickly go back home. So when you go back home, you come back to where you are trying to search for items. So let's say I want to make offer for, let me see, let me just pick a product. And so you see where you see some of ad here, they are not offer ad, they are new item from Walmart. So you can also buy direct from Walmart if you don't want to buy used item. So let's say for instance I want to make an offer for this. So like I said, so don't ever try to buy from anybody that has no review. So this seller here, I'm not going to buy from him. So let me look for another seller. It's still the same person. Let me look for another one. It's still the same person. So I'm not going to buy from him. Only you here. I'm not going to buy from him. Okay, I think he's the only one selling for today. Okay. I think he's the only one selling here for today. Anyway, let me go back and go back to category here. So if you are interested in buying vehicles and trucks, cars and trucks, this is how you go to the category, and then there's not much car today. Let me say if you are buying something like this. Now this is a verified car seller. You can see it, or they already have a 5-star review. So these are the description of the car. You can see the vehicle identification number, can see a lot of information about it. So these are the information about this particular car, right? So now if you want to buy this type of car, so this is the price, and these are the pictures of the car. This is how it look like. Now this price here is 23,977. You can easily chat the seller. You can click on chat box here. Now because I have already registered, now I can chat. I can say, oh, can this offer go for, can this go for, let's say as an example, in let me say $15 and cash pickup. Just say it like that and click on, then you click on next to, so from there you send to the seller. But if you are not serious about the product, don't bother to message the seller. It's not good, and they will report you on the platform. So with that, they will reply you within some few minutes and see if the price is good for the way you price it. So this is how you walk through and how you buy from OfferUp. So if you have any question, you can send me your question on WhatsApp, and let's see what other thing we can do as far as OfferUp is concerned. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step training on our OfferUp class. So thank you for watching, and I will be expecting some of your questions soon.